In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account with GatesFX. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to GatesFX.com and you want to click on Start Trading at the top right. And then from here, you basically have to create your account, putting in your registration details and clicking Continue. After you do that and after you create your account, you'll get the access to your dashboard over here. And to create and open a demo account, click on the Accounts tab and click on Open Demo Account. And here it says Open Demo Account, so just click on this button here. It's going to load up, and then you first have to select the category. You can either use MetaTrader 5 or the Trade Locker Demo. I'm gonna go with MT5 for now. Press Continue, and then here you have to select your account type. I'm gonna do, let's just do a demo, no commissions. And then here you can select your leverage, you can select your currency, and then your initial balance. And then whenever you're happy, just click on Continue. And then here you basically have to confirm everything. You want to click on Continue again. And whenever that's done, as you can see here, your account will be created. You'll be able to see your password, your login, your investor password, etc. So there's a bunch of different things over here. You can just use this to log into your demo account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.